Meanwhile, representatives of the Labour Ministry today responded to concerns about how local hardwares were selected to distribute supplies under the Roofs programme. The issue was raised by MP for Central St. Mary Omar Newell at today's sitting of Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, PAAC.
Can you explain a little bit the selection process for the vendors who were used for the material aspect of it?
We would have provided them with a list of entities through the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, a list of businesses that would have met the criteria, meaning persons who are TCC compliant and registered, etc.
The Labour Ministry added that its local offices also made recommendations. For Mr. Newell, residents are concerned about the cost to transport items from selected hardwares that are located too far from their communities.
I speak against the backdrop of a number of hardwares that are used for other government purchasing, government programs, who it would suggest are tax compliant, etc., and are convenient, but they were left off.
And we continue that process of onboarding as necessary. So when we still accept referrals, and if persons are willing and if the arrangement can be made, we still are in that process. We do not deny persons.
Coming up later in this newscast, the health report and international developments. We'll be right back.